I've been living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corner of my mind. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Ooh.
Such a lovely voice. Do you always sing in the classroom teaching?
When it's necessary, why not? In Primary School, we are not only preparing our kids to get the knowledge they need, we explore the different kinds of intelligence and train them to become well-rounded and productive citizens in our country and compete globally. So, as a teacher, I also have my innate talent, and one of them is singing. Ha 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 ha.
Well, I don't have that talent, but I'm into arts.
Do you have any sample to show?
Sure. This is a canvas painting of mine entitled Hope. A boy is in the hammock, overlooking the horizon. Hope is the key to have faith of something great will take place in the future.
Lovely. You are indeed an artist. Where can we find a good teacher and an artist roll into one?
I firmly believe that you cannot acquire a certain talent unless you share it to others.
I agree with you. And that is our main thrust here in Primary School. We want our kids to be talented, academically inclined, and above all, kids who have the heart and right characters to make influence in our society.
Well said, Anna. I want to take this opportunity to encourage our parents to invite their friends and neighbors to join our ever-increasing primary school families. Grab the chance to get the discounted rate for this enrollment and experience the best learning content and top-notch facilities that only primary school can offer.
What are you waiting for? Come and join us for this new school year 2021 and 2022. Call and inquire the following phone numbers and social media accounts right on the screen now.
By the way, do you have another song for us?
Do you know this line? You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that was in me, lifting me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed I'm everything I am because you loved me.
That's a friendship song, isn't it? Oh, I got the clue. Are we having a graduation day?
Yes.
Without further ado, sit back and enjoy.
Join us as we are witnessing the second virtual graduation day of Primary School.
Graduation has always been emotional and exciting for parents, teachers, and students. It sparks hope for the future and invites everyone to dream big.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Primary School's Graduation and Farewell Party 2021.
It is such a blessing for us to be here during this spectacular occasion.
Yes, that is true. It is also an honor to be your host for today's special event. I am Jessica Kaur from S3 Lee Byung-chul.
And I am Emiller from Senior High to Rini Decates. And we both hope that everyone is in their best state right now. Jessica, are you aware that Prime One School is well known for its excellence in multiple fields?
Well, of course I am. Prime One School has earned a lot of societal respect, and it has been charged with providing a higher level of education and modeling positive behaviors in order for students to achieve their goals.
Indeed, graduation is only a concept. In real life, you graduate every day. Graduation is a process that goes on until the last day of your life. Before we pursue any further, we would like to begin this event with a prayer, as it is one of Prime One School's culture, led by Mr. Hoyrul.
Dear God, as we virtually gather here in the harbor of your safety, we thank you for fellowship and family in this beautiful moment. Strengthen us, restore us, and inspire us with your love. Fill us with your peace so that we journey onward. Be present amongst us today. Come bless this graduation and farewell party with unity, hope, and vision. Build in us all a deep respect for one another. Come stir your hope within our heart and renew our faith. May your vision fill our life as we seek to reveal your love. In your name we pray. Amen.
We would like to invite everyone to stand up as the ceremony is about to begin. And let us welcome the processors.
Processors, enter the hall.
Please remain standing as we're about to sing our national anthem, Indonesia Raya, and PAUS anthem. like to invite our respective Academy Director, Dr. Fauzia Hairani Lubis, M.Hum, to deliver her warm welcoming speech.
Beloved founders, Mr. Amrin Susilo Halim, Mr. Nicholas Nayonga Halim, principals, vices, teachers, proud parents, and above all, the 2021 graduates, which consists of 86 K2, 142 Elementary 6, 164 JH3, and 130 SH3 students. My congratulations. Graduates, you know today belongs not only to you, but also to your caring family and friends. Parents, grandparents, siblings, friends, I salute you. You have trusted us to take care of your cherished ones. Your participations, your encouragement, your patience have brought us to this remarkable moment. Graduates, please stand up and go to your parents to give them your warmest hugs. To the graduating class of 2021, you have undoubtedly demonstrated incredible endurance during these unprecedented and restricted times due to the outbreak of COVID-19. You attended many sessions at Google Classrooms and on Zooms, trying to stay motivated, learning from a distance. You are the classes that missed events such as sport competitions, field trip, class trip, group performances, to name a few. It's not an easy journey for creative, inquisitive social students like all of you. Your teachers also encountered this challenging time, just like you. They have to change the way they plan their lessons so that the online class will not halt the learning activities, nor the science experiments and demonstrations for your learning purpose. This is only made possible by embodying Prime One School's 4 pillars of education into their classes. Our teachers must design digital class activities that students can engage and collaborate actively in the lesson. Our teachers should provide various teaching materials that are relatable and contextual with what the students need. Our teachers must apply numerous instructional methods to promote thought and critical thinking in the classroom so that in the long run, students can grow into lifelong learners. Our teachers should also prepare varied learning resources and teaching support near to them, while at the same time developing awareness towards ecology for sustainable future. After all, I believe the graduates of 2021 are the chosen students to begin the change our world needs. The change to focus on gratitude, sincerity, and collaborations. You are the class that started a step to show a heightened appreciation for teachers, healthcare professionals, and all essential workers who risk their lives every day so we can stay healthy and safe. So even though this pandemic has taken many things from you, it has also given you a chance to highlight what is truly meaningful: your family, friendship, your surrounding, your school community, Prime One School, and beyond. We have witnessed that you become a lot more patient, understanding, responsible, creative, and informative young leaders. In 2021, amidst all challenges, with your perseverance and resilience, you have successfully submitted to your teachers quality works and projects. You have gone through the presentations on your STEAM proposals, book reviews, and participate in various creative digital events such as Mr. and Miss POS, Language Ambassador, POS Star, Open School Day, Online PASD, debate, role plays, broadcasting, World Book Day celebrations, religion activities, online evaluations, and interviews. You were enthusiastically attending the school online visitations and counseling. With the availability of EPOS, our information management system, online activities are made easier. I would also like to salute you for all of your achievement during this hard time. You can still win in various competitions such as Southeast Asian Mathematical Olympiad, World Mathematics Invitational, Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad, Hippo English 2020 Indonesia, International Science Olympiad, Garuda Science Competitions, and many more. Now, as you continue your journey to a higher level of education, I urge you all to implement all the good values your teachers have instilled in you. Live the life you deserve, and with limitless promising opportunities available, I urge you all to make the absolute most of them and continue changing our world to be better. Lastly, I would like to share Tom Brokaw's quotations. You are educated. Your certification is in your degree. You may think of it as the ticket to the good life. Let me ask you to think of an alternative. Think of it as your ticket to change the world. Thank you. I wish you an amazing future and a better world.
Thank you, Ms. Fauzia, for the warm speech.
Now, we're going to invite the Chief of the Governing Board, Mr. Nicholas Naihonga Halim, to deliver his speech.
Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Di tengah kondisi seperti sekarang ini, satu hal yang perlu kita syukuri adalah kita masih dalam keadaan sehat dan bisa melaksanakan wisuda. Wabah COVID-19 yang sudah berlangsung lebih dari 1 tahun telah mengubah segalanya, termasuk pola belajar yang selama ini tatap muka terpaksa beralih menjadi online daring. Sejak berdiri tahun 2004, Primary School Medan telah menghasilkan lulusan yang tersebar ke seluruh penjuru dunia, seperti Amerika Serikat, UK, Jepang, Taiwan, Jerman, Prancis, Australia, Malaysia, dan lainnya. Alumni SMA Primary School juga banyak diterima di perguruan tinggi negeri di dalam negeri seperti USU, UGM, ITB, UI, UNPAD, Sekolah Satuan Pendidikan Kerjasama SPK. Primary School Medan adalah sekolah berstandar internasional yang bekerja sama resmi dengan Cambridge Assessment International Education (CAIE). Dengan kerjasama ini, maka Primary School mendapatkan berbagai pelatihan teknik mengajar langsung oleh ahlinya dari Cambridge serta mendapatkan sumber belajar yang paling update. Sesuai visi dan misi Primary School Medan, secara berkesinambungan mempersiapkan peserta didik memiliki pandangan atau pemikiran global dan siap berpartisipasi aktif di pasar internasional. Sarana prasarana merupakan bagian penting yang perlu disiapkan secara cermat dan berkesinambungan agar kegiatan belajar mengajar berjalan lancar. Dalam menyelenggarakan pendidikan, sarana prasarana sangat dibutuhkan untuk menghasilkan strategi pengajaran yang efektif dan efisien. Untuk kegiatan eksperimen atau praktik, Primary School Medan menyediakan laboratorium biologi, fisika, dan kimia yang disesuaikan dengan persyaratan Cambridge, baik dari segi kelengkapan maupun keamanan dalam penggunaannya. Agar otentik pedagogi, otentik learning, dan otentik assessment dapat terwujud dengan baik, maka diperlukan laboratorium bahasa agar peserta didik dapat mencari tahu pengetahuan serta membangun keterampilan berbahasanya. Primary School Medan tidak hanya menyediakan sarana dan prasarana untuk mendukung program pengajaran. Primary School juga telah membangun IPOS sebagai salah satu sistem manajemen informasi untuk mempermudahkan komunikasi orang tua dengan sekolah. Sistem ini berfungsi sebagai pengawasan dan pencatatan berbagai aktivitas siswa sebagai media assessment online, memprosesan dan pelaporan nilai siswa serta pendistribusian materi belajar. Fasilitas pendukung lainnya adalah laboratorium komputer untuk menunjang kegiatan research dan berbagai kegiatan CCA digital. Untuk menggugah kesadaran dan akan kebugaran dan karakter sportif, Primary School menyediakan lapangan basket, futsal, badminton, tenis meja, running track, gimnasium untuk kegiatan yoga, zumba, dan gerak tubuh lainnya. Ada juga UCSN Hall, ruangan musik, dengan alat musik yang lengkap. Satu hal yang menjadi fokus kita dalam menghasilkan lulusan berkarakter adalah pemenuhan kebutuhan terhadap agama serta pemahaman sikap toleransi yang saling menghargai. Fremont School menyediakan ruang agama Islam, Buddha, Kristen Protestan, dan Katolik beserta fasilitas pendukung lainnya. Dalam kesempatan yang berbahagia ini, saya menyampaikan selamat kepada para wisudawan dan orang tua yang telah berjuang untuk keberhasilan putra-putrinya. Masa depan anak-anakku sekalian masih panjang. Jangan pernah menyerah untuk meraih impianmu. Harapan kita bersama, semoga pandemi COVID-19 ini segera berlalu. Mari kita dukung program pemerintah untuk melaksanakan vaksinasi. Patuhi peraturan pemerintah untuk selalu menerapkan 3M. Memakai masker, menjaga jarak, dan rajin mencuci tangan pakai sabun. Sekali lagi, saya menyampaikan selamat kepada para wisudawan. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua.
Thank you, Mr. Nicholas, for the forwards.
Now for the long-awaited moment, the graduation ceremony. Please welcome the graduate readers for elementary, Miss Sylvia Nidianti, BACC.
Congratulations to Elementary 6 Comet with the homeroom Miss Lauren BSS. Andrea Laura Yemima Sembiring, the daughter of Mr. Anthony Brena Sembiring and Mrs. Priscilla Sinulinga. Aquina Laurencia Sembiring, the daughter of Mr. Jaya Sembiring and Mrs. Elma Erika Ginting. Ashara Fazila, the daughter of the late Mr. M. Ilham and Mrs. Jakia. Chloe Eugenia Coe, the daughter of Mr. Vincent and Mrs. Sunny. Davin Rafael, the son of Mr. Denny Darjanjo and Mrs. Suhana Abdul Hadi. Evan Dirman Sinulinga, the son of Mr. Karo Malem Sinulinga and Mrs. Ruth Natalova Purba. Farah Faras Fatima Arman, the daughter of Mr. Pramudia Firmansyah and Mrs. Wulandari Ningrum. Felicia Itan, the daughter of Mr. Erwan Itan and Mrs. Mariani. Fredella Penelope Chen, the daughter of Mr. Anthony and Mrs. Lily Suryati. Grace Abigail Gani, the daughter of Mr. Wahyudi Gani and Mrs. Jessie Crestella. Grace Lynn, the daughter of Mr. Andy and Mrs. Sumiati. Gulraj Singh, the son of Mr. Gurban Singh and Mrs. Malkit Kaur. Jehrain Kaizil Palakai Sinlo, the son of Mr. Tony Sinlo and Mrs. Shirley Palakai Sinlo. Jensen Alessandro Rusli, the son of Mr. Simon Jonathan Rusli and Mrs. Darmawati Surjo Utomo. Jesslyn Olivia Chandra, the daughter of Mr. Kokhwa and Mrs. Devi. Jolene Taura Wutrisia, the daughter of Mr. Suwanto and Mrs. Jenny. Josaphat Kit Simorangkir, the son of Mr. Natal Simorangkir and Mrs. Tumiar Erida Siahaan. Jovita Austin Tanoto, the daughter of Mr. Suapo and Mrs. Nelly. Judith Annabel Naulibasa, the daughter of Mr. Rusli Naulibasa and Mrs. Gobi Buan. Justin Liu, the son of Mr. Andi Putra and Mrs. Christina Oneri Ilken. Michael Jaden Yoh, the son of Mr. Rudy Yoh and Mrs. Fanny Anthony. Muhammad Azizi Maulana Karo Karo, the son of Mr. Alamsyah and Mrs. Juni Elvika. Aurelio Nito Utomo, the son of Mr. Toto Utomo and Mrs. Yeni Sulastri Kuan. Felicia Jevani Sinambela, the daughter of Mr. Oloan Monang Sinambela and Mrs. Wiwik Hendrianti Ginting. Rachel Vanessa Lim, the daughter of Mr. Eddie Halim and Mrs. Lady Diana. Valentino Girinanta Rahiu, the son of Mr. Rudy Rahiu and Mrs. Agustina. Jivana Gladys Wijaya, the daughter of Mr. Hendra Wijaya and Mrs. Francisca. Congratulations to Elementary 6 Galaxy with the homeroom Mr. Archie Alejandro Miranda, PS at LPD. Aldrich Otto Halimson, the son of Mr. Henry Salim and Mrs. Christine. Belva Liusa, the daughter of Mr. Liusa Suwanto and Mrs. Fanny. Kalius Caesar Hariwinata, the son of Mr. Christian Hariwinata Joe and Mrs. Juliani Pohanto. Kristio Wirya Dinata, the son of Mr. Robin Wijaya and Mrs. Susana. Danya Kalea Tarigan, the daughter of Mr. Halma Tarigan and Mrs. Erika Tama Ulina. Delicia Cheryl Huang, the daughter of Mr. Sufian and Mrs. Susanti. Elizabeth Winarta, the daughter of Mr. Robin and Mrs. Aini Tan. Ethan Braden Lim, the son of Mr. Eddie Rizdianto and Mrs. Elisa. Farah Pereira Hadi Lubis, the daughter of Mr. Ampera Hadi Lubis and Mrs. Wan Melfasya Surya. Gurbir, the son of Mr. Sukhjit Singh and Mrs. Harmilan. Jansen Margo, the son of Mr. Sugiono and Mrs. Tina. Jocelyn, the daughter of Mr. Angken Guan and Mrs. Nurhajati. Kiera Adriana Chelima, the daughter of Mr. Irianto Irawadi and Mrs. Noviani. Luis Valentino, the son of Mr. Tandiono and Mrs. Lina Tanite. M. Abigail Fedora GM, the daughter of Mr. Tommy Manik and Mrs. Rika Angelia Barros. May Rachel Stephanie Sirait, the daughter of Mr. Rudianto Kennedy Sirait and Mrs. Okti Basaida Tambun. Miguel Anson Yu, the son of Mr. Yuwandi and Mrs. Winda Wijaya. Muhammad Lanta Makayasa, the son of Mr. Muhammad Saleh and Mrs. Adisti Dwi Putrianti. Odilia Riris Velove Naibaho, the daughter of Mr. Joy Cristo Naibaho and Mrs. Anna Rika Ye Simbolon. Oliver Orlandio Luis, the son of Mr. Robbie Luis and Mrs. Veranita. Phoebe Tanako, the daughter of Mr. John and Mrs. Yanti Octavia. R. Rajiv Chandran, the son of Mr. M. Rawi Chandran and Mrs. R. Wajinti Mala. Raka Fawaz Olowan Siregar, the son of Mr. Harimantua Dibata Siregar and Mrs. Munawaro Sitorus. Rafael Hartono, the son of Mr. Cantoni Hartono and Mrs. Lily. Sachio Alfonso Joling, the son of Mr. Budianto and Mrs. Agustina. Shelvin Gohestin, the daughter of Mr. Suwito Gunawan and Mrs. Sally Huang. Valencia Vesaka Cuaca, the daughter of Mr. Yulianto Cuaca and Mrs. Dewi Nita. Warren Hongrius, the son of Mr. Charlie Hongrius and Mrs. Puspa Halim. Wilfen Jocelyn, the daughter of Mr. Hendra and Mrs. Farida. Congratulations to Elementary 6 Meteor, with the homeroom Miss Henny Lamaria Siregar, SPD. Ahwa Ajira Kasi, the daughter of Mr. Roy Shaputra and Mrs. Sri Widya Astuti. Akila Adzira, the daughter of Mr. Sofli Putra and Mrs. Donna Marina. Claresta Chen, the daughter of Mr. Hoklai and Mrs. Ferawati. Dalton Theo Sugiono, the son of Mr. Susanto Sugiono and Mrs. Vera Kartolo. Darius Devon Sianturi, the son of Mr. Epi Ripson Sianturi and Mrs. Maida Ferdian Ginting. Evan Arga Wibowo, the son of Mr. Adi Wibowo and Mrs. Berliana Simanung Khalid. Fiona Chandra Wirawan, the daughter of Mr. Chandra Amir Wirawan and Mrs. Eva Sriani Gladwin Covid, the son of Mr. Agus and Mrs. Santi. Gladys Clarice Halim, the daughter of Mr. Frederick Charlie Halim and Mrs. Chenny Wati. Jacob Christo Juan, the son of Mr. David and Mrs. Juliana Polim. Jesslyn Margot, the daughter of Mr. Sugiono and Mrs. Tina. Jovian Wijaya, the son of Mr. Jono Wijaya and Mrs. Linda Halim. Jowinston Johnson, the son of Mr. R. Johnson and Mrs. Lee May. Kayla Natania Mastiar Simbolon, the daughter of Mr. Tepe Lobuan Simbolon and Mrs. Evi Delianti Sinaga. Kaylin Wijaya, the daughter of Mr. Sofian Wijaya and Mrs. Sharin Taslim. Leonardo Suwanto, the son of Mr. Suwanto and Mrs. Fanny. Louis Alexander Lee, the son of Mr. Suwarno and Mrs. Weni. Maharani Priyanka Andina, the daughter of Mr. Rifki Andi and Mrs. Raden Medina Elifanda R. Marvel Arya Duarta Sianturi, the son of Mr. Maringan Sianturi and Mrs. Eltrina Naibaho. Michael Chandra, the son of Mr. Sinchai and Mrs. Renia Putri. Murphy Immanuel Tepe Pangaribuan, the son of Mr. Tepe Hotlam Pangaribuan and Mrs. Jenny Veronica Hutagalung. Naila Alifa Rahana, the daughter of Mr. Rahma Adi Santoso KS and Mrs. Hana Yurinawati. Naomi Tanoko, the daughter of Mr. Herman and Mrs. Megawati. Raden Bagus Deren Arvegar Iskandar, the son of Mr. Ari Rahman Iskandar and Mrs. Sylvie Febriza Rizkasari. Rika Krisley, the daughter of Mr. Kristianto Lee and Mrs. Asma Lim. Sachio Manggala Guntur, the son of Mr. Guntur Agung Supono and Mrs. Indah Purwandari Natalia. Tania Priscilla Tarigan, the daughter of Mr. Genius Tarigan and Mrs. Sri Ulinta Wati Barus. Vanessa Sierra, the daughter of Mr. Henry and Mrs. Lily. Jack Ethan Lee, the son of Mr. Yose Rusli and Mrs. Mary. Congratulations to Elementary 6 Planet with the homeroom Miss Shirley Palakai Sinlo B.A. Abraham Mayer Sitorus, the son of Mr. Arnalom Sitorus and Mrs. Santi Sincerely Siahaan. Agnes Angelica, the daughter of Mr. Aprio Montien and Mrs. Ponti Romaida Hutapea. Ali Rahman Hakim Sinaga, the son of Mr. Harry Irwansyah Sinaga and Mrs. Mira Agustisa Damanik. Amanda Gracie Ongo, the daughter of Mr. Henry Ongo and Mrs. Alicia Go. Andrew Antonius Chan, the son of Mr. Anthony Chan and Mrs. Mary. Anne Paris Lautan, the daughter of Mr. Vincent Lautan and Mrs. Charlie. Cindy Olivia Angsana, the daughter of Mr. Ketak and Mrs. Lina. Clovin Klein Liu, the son of Mr. Sukiman and Mrs. Elfie. Dustin Nathaniel, the son of Mr. Siwandi and Mrs. Rini Susanti. Gracia Ivana, the daughter of Mr. Elpin and Mrs. Juliana Lian. Hilman Bintang Ansori, the son of Mr. Rianto and Mrs. Sudarwati. Jeron Hantigo S., the son of Mr. Handri Tigor S. and Mrs. Ernie. Jason Varian Ricky, the son of Mr. Johan and Mrs. Alice Jo. Jesselyn Vinci Tarsiman, the daughter of Mr. Henry and Mrs. Juliana. Josepha Abigail Sinuhaji, the daughter of Mr. Johnny Sinuhaji and Mrs. Eva Dewi Erlitna Tarigan. Joven Mackenzie, the son of Mr. Hendratina and Mrs. Megawati. Kayla Quina Alea, the daughter of Mr. Ardian Shaifullah and Mrs. Ika Fitriani. Madeline Giselle Lim, the daughter of Mr. Nicholas Naihongga Halim and Mrs. Sylvia Angkasa. Muhammad Rifat Ibrahim, the son of Mr. Andi Ibrahim and Mrs. Latifa Hanim. Muhammad Sandi Febrian Purba, the son of Mr. Samuel Purba and Mrs. Rusdiana Saragi. Naila Rosvi Shafia Resgian, the daughter of Mr. Nobi Resgian and Mrs. Siti Mailani Lubis. Sean Xavier Yangki, the son of Mr. Yang Manto and Mrs. Lolita. Shane Manning Anwar, the son of Mr. Shandi Anwar and Mrs. Desnita Kirana. Sylvie Wu, the daughter of Mr. Haryanto and Mrs. Susiwati. Stanley David, the son of Mr. Jimmy Harman Sanusi and Mrs. Erika Gunawan. Tasha Radi, the daughter of Mr. Subramanian Ilenggowan and Mrs. Rasri. Triviona Grace Stephanie Karunia Sijabat, the daughter of Mr. Corliston Sijabat and Mrs. Roma Esda Nainggolan. Fezerika Suwandi, the daughter of Mr. Suwandi and Mrs. Lena. Congratulations to Elementary 6 Universe with the homeroom Miss Rosnita BSc. Artabella Valencia Tanadi, the daughter of Mr. Wedi Chandra and Mrs. Henny. Kalista Fania Yapranata, the daughter of Mr. Rudy Susanto and Mrs. Giuliani. Cheris Angeline Lifey, the daughter of Mr. Ferry Johanin Chandra and Mrs. Elisha. Cherin Priscilia Theophan, the daughter of Mr. Anwar and Mrs. Yeni. Derek Ferdinand, the son of Mr. Wiyandi and Mrs. Vivi Marisa Virgo. Jihni Shifa Zahra, the daughter of Mr. Aguswan and Mrs. Wina Trisnawati S. Meliala. Ethan Nathaniel, the son of Mr. Franz Hesti and Mrs. Henny Hamza. Evelyn, the daughter of Mr. Tan Ahwa and Mrs. Agustina. Farid Dinejad Simanjunta, the son of Mr. Harry Simanjunta and Mrs. Fatimah Sitepu. Faselo Alexander Tamaila, the son of Mr. Robbie Leonard Alexander Tamaila and Mrs. Rosmita Barus. Felicia Budiman, the daughter of Mr. Rudy Budiman and Mrs. Lindawati Lewi. Freil Ebert Sinaga, the son of Mr. Kimson Sinaga and Mrs. Murni Rajaguguk. Glory Levani Vesilia Boru Nainggolan, the daughter of Mr. Lestron Nainggolan and Mrs. Piliana Situngkir. Gracelyn Andreachi Effendi, the daughter of Mr. Rudy Effendi and Mrs. Ellie. Graha Michael Given Sembiring, the son of Mr. Irwanta Sembiring and Mrs. Jenny Seri Mulyana Boru Perangin Angin. Jason Leonggo Dinata, the son of Mr. Johnny Leong and Mrs. Lindawati Tan. Jessica Daly, the daughter of Mr. Daniel Daly and Mrs. Dewi Serewati Silalahi. Kimora Sasha Quinn, the daughter of Mr. Surya Dharma Irawan and Mrs. Riyatika. Leivinki Frey, the son of Mr. Robin and Mrs. Helen Ika Shinta. M. Raffi Tambuse, the son of Mr. Irlian Saputra and Mrs. Rafika Vicky. Marvel Salviano Sitopu, the son of Mr. Sunario Sitopu and Mrs. Maria Florida Harvey. Mevri Deigan Kusmanto, the son of Mr. Purdi Kusmanto and Mrs. Lisa. Musa Atif Shah, the son of Mr. Musa Idisha and Mrs. Dini Agustini. Naswa Shafira, the daughter of Dato Nordin Yahaya and Mrs. Fatriana Mazila. Nurmaira Nabila Shafira Lubis, the daughter of Mr. Muhammad Edwin Syahputra Lubis and Mrs. Nurmila Kadarsi Pohan. Prince Setiawan, the son of Mr. Setiawan Wijaya and Mrs. Lini Tan. Rowena Utomo, the daughter of Mr. Budi Utomo and Mrs. Mary Gani. San Jose Sonendo Siregar, the son of Mr. Bonardo Hasi Holland Siregar and Mrs. Endang Juniarta Sinaga. Valentino Tanata, the son of Mr. Chandra Tanata and Mrs. Rosni. Congratulations to all graduates.
Good morning to the honorable founders, directors, principal, vice principals, coordinators, teachers, parents, and students. Education at elementary level, the first step in compulsory education, aims to provide students with the basic skills necessary to solve the problem they face and to comply with social norms. Primary school instilled the life skill as life skills are skills and knowledge that are necessary for an effective life, and it is different from academic skills. Primary school students learn about communications, problem solving, decision making, self-management, cooperation and teamwork, leadership and entertainment, making connections, being a self-starter, etc. in life skill. These are essential set of skills that is learned by students throughout their life to enhance their lifestyle in the better way possible. Learning a life skill is a very important and mandatory part of growing up. There are many significant reasons that can be put forward to emphasize the importance of life skill in education. Elementary 6 students, I believe you are ready for this moment. You are ready for the next chapter of your life, and you will enjoy the greatest ever skill of freedom in the next surgeon of your life. You will have many academic and life decisions to make. So, go forth, learn and grow, be inspired by people, places, and communities. Seek out experiences to enrich your knowledge and your character. Dream incredible dreams, work extremely hard. Live to the fullest. Be curious, be agile, be strong, be sensitive, but most importantly, be you. Love yourself, love others. Stand up for yourself and stand up for those who may need it more than you. Thank you for the years you have been with us at elementary level. I wish you a wonderful memory in junior high 1 level. Thank you.
Let us welcome Jason Alessandro Rusli from Essex Comet as the representative of class presidents to deliver a few words.
Hello and good morning, parents, teachers, friends. My name is Jason Rusli, Essex Comet class president. It is my honor to speak in front of you today. First and foremost, I'd like to thank my parents for being my #1 supporters. I am forever grateful for everything you have done for me, especially for the past 6 years. You have pushed me to reach my full potential and have been there to listen to my every word. I'm sorry for being typical moody teens at times, but beyond all my imperfection, You have taught me life lessons which have become my guidance to be the best versions of you. I would like to thank all my teachers for being my mentors and shaping me into the young individual I am today. There are no words to adequately express all that you do each and every day. And of course, thank you to my homeroom teacher, Miss Lauren. I have seen your hard work, and your love is infectious, not just to me, but to all of my classmates. Finally, I'd like to thank Primary School for the great experiences you provided, particularly during this time of pandemic. Though I've never met my teachers and classmates face to face, but studying from home seems so real because you introduced the best home-based learning possible. I enjoyed every moment and learned so much. Primary School is the best. Thank you so much, and may God bless us all.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all healthy and safe. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Rika. I'm just so honored to be given this opportunity to speak and congratulate all of you today. My name is Brenda Shenipar and I am one of Primary School 2016 graduates. Currently, I'm studying entrepreneurship in Loyola Marymount University. So here I am once again to say big congratulations for every one of you who's graduating today. This is a big moment for you, so I really wish every single one of you the best of luck for your journey ahead. Now, some of you might already know what you're doing or what you're gonna do, and that's amazing. But maybe some of you still have not have things figured out yet, and that's totally fine. I know and I understand the feeling because I used to be in that position back then. So some advice that I can give you are, first, don't be afraid to try and experience new things. Because by doing it, you may stumble upon something that you might love that you didn't know before, and it can benefit your future. Second is don't be shy to seek help. Talk to your family, talk to your teachers. I'm sure your teachers here at Primary School would be glad to help you. You can talk to advisor or counselors in your new college or university, or you can talk to seniors, including me. So please feel free to reach out to me to talk about anything if you have questions or if you just want to chat. So yeah, that's it for me. Congratulations once again. Please do your best and enjoy university.
プライマンスクールの卒業生の皆さん、ご卒業おめでとうございます。私も皆さんと同じように2019年に卒業したコナンと申します。よろしくお願いします。では、あらかじめ軽く自己紹介をさせていただきます。私は現在日本に留学して、つい最近まで日本語学校から卒業して、今は CG、VFX クリエイターを目指してデジタルハリウッド大学という芸術大学に入学しました。皆さんは間もなく社会に出ることになります。今まで学校で難しいと言っていたことを全部忘れましょう。難しいのはこれからです。これからは皆さん大学であり、就職であり、新しい環境に通い、新しい人と出会い、新しい知識を得ることになります。特に現代コロナの影響により山ほどのチャレンジが待っています。でも、たとえどんなに困難であっても、これを忘れないでください。人生を楽しむことを忘れず前へ進むことです。人生を楽しんでいれば、どんなことでも乗り越えられます。人生を精一杯楽しんで、どんどん新しいことに挑戦してください。頑張ってください。応援しています。では、改めてご卒業おめでとうございます。
Now, I'm pretty sure everyone is curious to know who are the best of the best students of primary school in the academic year 2020 to 2021. So, without further ado, we would like to invite Miss Lini M. Payday as the principal of elementary to read out the names of the best students.
I will announce best of the best students in elementary department school year 2020-2021.
This one is the most awaited announcement coming from Mr. and Miss Primary School.
Look at them. They're adorable, aren't they?
Indeed, Em. Martin Luther King once said, "Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step."
Exactly, Jessica. And not to forget, the goal of true education is intelligence and character. Now, let us proceed to watch the videos the graduates have prepared for us.
Hi, my name is Gracelyn and Primary School is educational.
Hello everyone, I am Josephat Keith from E6 Comet. Primary School taught me to work and study hard.
Hi, I'm Rachel. Primary School respects all kinds of races, ethnicity, and beliefs.
Hi, my name is Oliver from A6 Galaxy. Today I'm gonna make a short speech about Primary School. Primary School is a very good school because the teacher explains clearly and the facilities is also good. And that's all from my short speech. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Akila Zira and I'm from A6 Meteor and I think Primary School is amazing.
My name is Michael. Primary School have a great facility.
School provides the best education that student needs. I've been enjoying its high quality education that students can only get at PAUSE.
Hello, my name is Tasha from E6 Planet. Primary School provides intelligence for all of us.
Hi, my name is Ethan Nathaniel from E6 Universe, and Primary School has a clean environment and is well suited for our needs.
Hi, my name is Rowena from E6 Universe. Primary School is an outstanding school.
Wow, that was very engaging, right, Em?
Yes, Jessica, but unfortunately, we've reached the end of Primary School's graduation and farewell party 2021. But before we officially end this event, we would like to invite Mr. Hoyrul to lead us in the closing prayer.
Dear God, your word is a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. Thank you that we can live in your light and walk in your truth. May the things that we have revealed and taught that we have shared dwell in our heart and steer us to action. We want to give honor to you, though we are physically separated due to COVID-19. To this moment is still unforgettable. Thank you for the time we have had here today. Let your hand of protection be on us. In your name we pray, Amen.
We would like to remind everyone to stay safe and to always conduct safety protocols everywhere you go. We also would like to thank everyone who has been sparing their time in watching this event.
And we would like to congratulate the graduates, best of the best students in the school year 2020 to 2021 as they've done their best. Great is the art of beginning.
But greater is the art of ending. I'm Emiller.
And I'm Jessica Carr. Goodbye and see you.
That was the best graduation I've ever seen in life.
I agree with you, but I heard some whispered. I think the audience would love to know who are behind these puppets. Are you ready to reveal yourself?
Let's do it.
Here we are.
And we would like to congratulate all the graduates.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.